Understanding water regularly, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, water regularly. This phrase is often used in gardening or plant care contexts, but it's also a great example of how English can be both simple and nuanced. Let's explore together what this phrase means and how you can use it correctly. Water regularly is a phrase composed of two words, water and regularly. Water. This word can be both a noun and a verb. As a verb, which is how it's used in our phrase, it means to supply water to plants or a garden to help them grow. Regularly, this adverb describes how often an action is done. It suggests a consistent, repeated pattern over time. So, when we combine these words, water regularly means to consistently supply water to plants over a period of time. The phrase, water regularly, is commonly found in gardening or plant care guides. It's an instruction that tells you how to take care of your plants. However, the exact frequency implied by regularly can vary depending on the type of plant, the climate you live in, the season of the year. For some plants, watering regularly might mean every day, while for others, it could mean once a week. Let's see how water regularly can be used in different sentences. 1. To keep your flowers healthy, water them regularly during the summer. 2. I have a reminder set to water my plants regularly. 3. If you're going on vacation, ask a neighbor to water your garden regularly. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various situations. Don't confuse regularly with a lot. Watering regularly doesn't always mean watering a lot at once. Remember, regularly implies consistency. Skipping several days and then overwatering doesn't count as watering regularly. And there you have it. Now you know what water regularly means and how to use it correctly. It's a phrase that's especially useful for plant enthusiasts, but it's also a great example of English language nuances. Happy gardening and happy learning! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.